Hi, this is Buzz Canner talking about motorcycles, and we have an old Harley 45 flathead here. If this is the kind of stuff you like, press the subscribe button. It's free and easy, doesn't cost anything, and you'll be notified when we get up more videos. So this is an old 45 we pulled out of a barn, actually a shed, in Connecticut about a year or so ago. Hadn't been started in at least 15-20 years, maybe more. Brought it down to wheels through time, where Matt Walksler put his hands on it, got it sorted out and running. Paul Ozzie was involved in it, and we're sitting here in sunny Florida now trying to figure out what to do with the bike. I think it's too nice to mess with. I would ride it as is. I'm not sure I would want to do a restoration on something like this. It's pretty cool, and might not be completely correct and accurate, but pretty darn close. So the flathead, the timer, oil pump, toolbox, saddlebags kind of hard and crusty, but I suspect they've been on there for a long time. The old pinched exhaust rear stand, tombstone taillight, solo seat. So I doubt it was a police special. I'm guessing that someone put the speedometer in it, but who knows? Maybe it was a police bike, I couldn't say. Little fairing, windshield there, blinker carburetor, crash bars. So I'd be curious, if this was your bike, what would you do with it besides ride the heck out of it? Would you restore it? Would you clean it up? Would you let it sit as it sits? Well, let me know in your comments below. Again, this is Buzz Canter talking about motorcycles.